have had a car accident.
Oh, yeah?
I had a seatbelt on and we jerked, and I can see that one of my collarbone is a little bit more forward than the other from that.
Did they work on your collarbone or?
I've had like this kind of thing done, but that's about it.
I know, it's like you have 2 clavicles now. I'm just kidding.
Yay.
We'll work on it. I'll do a laser therapy and we'll like open it up just so it starts healing faster. Your head tilts naturally to the right, so that might be comfortable for you. You're like, all these people, it's so annoying.
It also might be this hair.
Oh, your hair? It's really heavy.
It's kind of like a bit leaning that way.
You're like,
it is heavy.
Yeah. Oh, it's heavy?
Yeah.
Okay. The hair is hurting.
Yeah.
I want to know how much her damn head weighs because she had a lot to step up.
Okay, let's see who wins. Okay. And over here, your head is going forward, so that's why you have a lot of pressure right here. So
yeah.
We gotta open you up right there. And you could get low back and knee pain. So there's you're like kind of leaning forward like Michael Jackson.
Trying to get that.
Okay, let's see who wins. So your head's supposed to weigh about 11 pounds, but it weighs 17.2.
With those braids on? No, stop it.
It's all the emotions that you keep over here that makes it heavier. All right, wow. Well, I mean, you could get your posture better, but I guess you won on because it's not as heavy. So you get to keep these. So I'm gonna check your arms real quick. Push up as hard as you can. Okay. Usually a lot of people that are worn out, their body doesn't work. See, like you notice it doesn't work when you're trying. So let's have you land your back face up. All right. GG's healing. Okay, so reach over here. There's a lot of emotions over here, I can tell. Okay, deep breath. Down. There you go. And then reach over here.
You made me look so dramatic.
Well, I have been seeing Pyro since I was like 11. Ooh, I needed that.
I heard that.
Yes, thank you, Lord.
Lord have mercy.
Ooh, that was nice.
So your ribs are kind of like...
Yes, they're always out.
And it could be from, of course, the car accident. It's like...
Honestly, just that one movement is more than I'm used to getting in a chiropractor visit.
Yeah, that's like what you need a lot because your ribs are all out.
But I don't know why. It's just not been getting like that movement when I've been seeing. I've been so frustrated. Because I'm like, I can feel it's really locked.
Yeah.
And I'm like leaving super dissatisfied.
Yeah, that seatbelt did do a lot.
It was actually a really bad storm and we shouldn't have been driving.
Oh, really?
And so we hit the like railing.
And I wasn't even into science until way later. Okay. So we're just gonna open this up. I'm gonna use this.
Use it.
Okay.
Use it all at the same time.
It's like everyone grab a knife. I'm just kidding.
Do it.
So I'm just gonna scrape under this clavicle real quick. You feel those bumps?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're just gonna break it up.
Ouch. This is not nice.
It could be sore, but.
Oh.
And we're not gonna literally put this thing in place, but we're gonna help heal it. And then we're gonna use this. We'll get in here. It's uncomfortable as heck.
Oh, yeah, that's a bit.
Just breathe.
Puppies. Okay,
I'm gonna use my other knife right here. Okay.
Koalas and kittens and pandas.
It's open surgery, she's like losing her mind.
Oof. Yeah, I've never had this part worked on.
Yeah, we gotta open this up.
Oof.
Yeah, I know. I have to. This might be a little sore later, but.
Should be calling me next week, like.
She's like, what did you do to me?
Oof. Oof.
You feel those bumps? That's like all tissue. It's like scar tissue.
Oh, my whole body is like so much scar tissue. My back is disgusting.
Okay, we'll see how solid stone it is.
It's terrible.
Let's open this up like this.
Ooh.
I know.
Ow.
You get the painful.
Ow, thanks, Brown. Ow.
I know.
Lord, I should have took painkillers.
You're supposed to come here not be on painkillers. Okay, let's see. His clavicle is like kind of off.
If you write a hit song this week, you owe him.
Okay. And just breathe. I know this is uncomfortable. Putting her together. You see this? It's like lower. Okay, so like I can do this muscle test. Push it right here. So I'm gonna pull this rib down just to show you like what the difference is. Push up. You notice it just turns off when I pull it down. But I'm gonna push it up.
It's my kryptonite.
So I'm gonna just pull this up right here.
Okay.
Push up.
Oh.
You notice it got stronger.
Yes, I've eaten my spinach.
So when I push your rib in the worst position, it will turn off your whole body. When I push it up, it gets stronger. So that means it needs to get pushed up.
Okay.
Okay, so.
Oh man.
Let's see. Okay, just gonna breathe. Might be painful. I'm gonna do it one more time. There you go.
Oof, I felt that.
Don't worry, we're not gonna rip your rib off.
Well, this accident was so long ago and I've never really been treated for it.
Yeah, I know. It's
been like 15 years or something.
Yeah, it's sad when you can't even get it worked on and you're getting all these treatments. So I'm just gonna push right here, push up right here. It's much stronger. So it's more mobile now. So like blood flow is gonna go in there. So it's gonna help heal it better.
Okay.
But of course you need to get it a little bit worked on over time.
Yeah.
But we'll see how you can breathe after this. So bring a straight leg up over here. Push up.
Oh Lord.
Okay. Push up right here.
Spaghetti
Oh my
legs.
goodness. Okay. Let's do this.
Like, how does she walk?
Yeah.
That weakness. Ooh.
You guys are secretly suffering.
Yes. Ooh.
There you go. I do my martial arts.
Yes.
So let's see if it got stronger. Bring it straight leg up. Push up right here. It's still weak. So there's a muscle that's not working. Push up right here.
Oh,
So you got like kind of some complicated stuff.
Yeah, I felt really weak here.
Okay, so I'm just gonna use your arm to test the muscles. So push up
It
right here.
feels like super weak.
Push up as hard as you can. Get your quad.
Okay.
Got it. All right, so we're just gonna press this out. Let's see.
Oh, whatever.
This
It
is
feels.
gonna be painful. Okay, just
So
relax.
like queasy there.
I'm just going light,
I
but
know, but something's like not right with my legs.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like.
this is just inflammation.
Oh Lord.
If you take omega-3 though, you'll heal even faster.
Okay.
You know, I wanted to tell you about taking omega-3, but I just had it to mind my business. You should take that.
Yeah, I didn't know you could do a chewable. Like I bought a few of them and then I couldn't swallow them and gave them away.
Oh yeah? Oh my goodness.
I was like stuff like, oh man, this is just the size, the shape of them and the size.
Yeah.
Lots of
I know. I ran out of the chewable ones, so you can get them online. Okay. I just want to check how much power you got. Bring the straight leg up. Push up. Yeah, that's what it was. So you notice you can actually hold it now, but it's still like needs some work. So we're gonna work on the other side.
I feel so defeated.
I'm gonna teach you what you can do at home to fix this though.
Okay.
You could just use a medicine ball.
Okay.
And I'll show you later.
I have one of those.
Okay. You just lean on it, and you don't have to roll at all. This side's not as bad as the other side.
It just doesn't feel good.
What does it feel like?
I don't even know how to compare it to anything.
It's like, what kind of massage is this?
It feels like you're just so weak, and like when someone touches it, you can feel how weak it is.
And if you feel ticklish, it shares the same receptor as the pain receptor.
Oh.
So that's why you're like, oh my god.
Yeah, it's like tickle and pain at the same time.
Yeah, so anytime you're ticklish, your brain's trying to tell you that there's pain over there.
Oh wow.
Okay, let's see how much power you got back. Push it right here. Much better, you notice?
Yeah.
So this is the main thing for your legs. So if you release them a little bit daily, your legs will get way better.
Okay, so there's just a lot of like tension in them.
Yeah. They're like overused, and that's what's gonna cause hip and knee pain. Okay, so we're gonna have you go face down.
Okay.
All right, this is what she's been talking about.
Good luck.
Good luck. I was like, okay.
Oh, my arm's here.
Yeah, this is where all the pressure's at. Oh my goodness. Let me get my construction tools out.
This is a back of pure scar tissue.
Okay. All right, here we go. I'm going in. Feels okay?
Yeah.
You gotta do construction work before we get in here.
Okay, I want that.
Okay, we'll give this to you before you leave. I'm doing this because she is stuck.
I'm tough.
Okay.
It won't move.
It just looks like delicious.
Okay. Okay, so you have, and it's a scoliosis is in your low back.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, got
I
it.
can't remember.
Oh my God, we're gonna do a different adjustment for this.
Okay.
Okay. Gotta give her the hug of life. And these hips, she looks like that.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. I'm going all out. And there's no sound. I'm just kidding. Okay, so face me on this side. Okay, so bend this leg right here. Okay, here we go. There you go.
That little one there. All right.
Other side. Right here, this bone. There you go. Holy crap. There's like cobwebs in there. I'm just kidding.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Misaligned.
I can feel it.
Gotta release this.
Ooh.
Alright. She just needs all these things.
Ow.
Okay, just breathe. You guys are like sore. The next day, like, what just happened?
Ooh.
Okay. Just relax. Okay. And then we're gonna give you a hug. Deep breath. Out. There you go. And she needs the Ystrap. Okay. I'm gonna use my whole bicep on that one. There's a lot of stuff in here. All right. We're gonna work on your jaw first. So let me get my gloves.
He's like, who is this crazy lady? Why is there so many problems?
Who did this to you guys?
Who hurt you?
Okay, so open your mouth. Okay, so you guys just have really tight jaws. Okay, so open your mouth.
Oh wait, sorry, I wasn't ready. What the fuck was that? That fucking hurts.
Their eyes smiling.
Oh my god. How did you handle that, girl?
I handle a lot, girl.
Oof, that was rough. Okay, sorry.
This is gonna help you a lot because it's really like tight.
Just trust me, when he's done, it's worth
All right.
worth every stroke.
I just wasn't ready. That was a lot.
I don't even know what to add in the video, but
Okay.
okay. Here we go. We gotta do 2 more, okay?
Oh,
That was an adjustment. There you go.
oh God, that
and I
was.
let it do the work. It's just like,
Her jaw literally like popped, like she needed.
Oof, that was brutal.
Yeah.
Mm.
Okay, I'm giving you guys literally what you guys need, so here we go.
Oh my God. Oh. Oh. Oh.
I'm so sorry.
Oh. That hurts so much. Oh. Oh, but you hear that popping?
Yeah.
It's like I can open it more now. My jaw is an issue and I do clench.
Oh yeah? Okay.
Oh God.
Okay, we're not even done yet.
Ooh.
Thought we were done.
Oh my God, this hurts a lot. Everything hurts. Aw.
It's your whole life right here. Okay, so open your
Ooh.
mouth. Open your mouth.
Ah!
Yeah.
Ah.
And then close it. Open it.
Oh God.
We have to. I'm actually kind of going late, but okay, open your mouth. There you go.
Ah.
Okay, just relax.
Mm.
Wow, you guys will feel way better after doing this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're going in right here.
Ooh. That hurts too.
This is part of your jaw right here. So your jaw goes up here. I'm just kidding. Open your mouth a little bit. There you go.
Ah. Jeez.
I know. Okay.
Everything hurts. Mm.
This is a painful facial.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's see. At least your guys' jaws aren't misaligned, so it's just really
we
tight.
talk too much shit to be.
Okay. So she needs, we gotta give her an occipital lift, and we gotta adjust right here.
Ooh.
There you go.
Ooh.
Her head was like right here.
Ooh. I don't think my neck has moved like that in a couple years.
Oh my
Wow.
gosh. She was just like, you're not adjusting. She's angry at the chiropractor.
How did you do that? Like, why do you think my neck doesn't move sometimes?
Well, it's a combination because you are flexible, but you also have like emotions that are making you block it too at the same time. So it's a combination. Like your tone, it's like, we gotta get you relaxed. So that's why we're gonna have you do it at the end. You guys both have different emotions, but we'll tag her.
She's more gangster.
She's a gangster. I was like, whoa.
You're a gangster.
I was like, it was like a shotgun in there. Okay.
Wow. Okay.
So we're gonna give you an occipital lift, the same
Right.
one I gave
Sit
her.
up.
Yeah. So it's gonna be for your upper neck.
Ooh. Wow.
Okay, scoot up more.
Nice to have my neck move. Oh yeah.
Okay. Here we go. Whoa, her skull needs to get adjusted. Okay, turn your head this way.
Woo.
There you go.
Wow.
Yeah, that one could be sore, and it's just because I had to open your skull up. So
What was
just
that?
I literally adjusted
Oh,
your
man.
skull right here.
Holy shit. I've never had that before. Am I gonna be like smarter?
Actually technically you might have. Okay, you ready for the Ystrap?
Wow.
Just a lot of
I don't
tension
know.
right here.
I don't know. That was like a lot. Wow.
We'll tape your neck too, so you can relax if you want.
I feel like my body's so confused. I don't know what's going on. It's like we're not used to that movement.
Yeah,
I'm literally not used to getting like any movement at all.
Oh yeah.
I'm nervous now. Oh god.
But this is perfect for you because if you haven't been opened up, this opens up all the discs. So you could get started like you did a workout.
Okay.
Just so you're not like, what just happened to me? Okay. All right.
Has anyone's head ever fallen off or anything?
No. It's really hard. It's really hard to do that when someone's actually trying to rip someone's head off. It's like, I thought this was easier than I thought. Some crazy dude. This is actually hard.
Wow.
It's not like the movies. It's actually really hard to do that. So lift your head up. If that was the case, people's heads would be popping off way sooner, like on TV. Like, this guy's head popped off. Okay. Here we go.
Oh man.
All right. Hold my muscles ready for this. Okay. So I'm just gonna open you up first. All right, so now you're gonna imagine just dropping your shoulders. All right, take a deep breath.
Ooh. Wow. Hello.
Is that okay?
Do people like start speaking other languages or like, oh my god. Wow. What just happened?
We opened up the discs.
Oh man. Wow.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm
good.
scared to move. Like, I know I get what girls say. I'm actually afraid to move as well. I'm like,
I just want to feel like
stay
this.
right here. Like, oh man. Okay. I'm literally afraid to move. Okay. Ooh.
Okay.
Wow.
So now we're gonna do relaxation time, and we're just gonna check some words. And you can feel sore, but don't worry.
Okay.
Okay, she's like shaking. So we're gonna check your emotions real quick. I'm just gonna guess it. Okay, so give me your arm right here. Push it as hard as you can. Turn it off. Okay, push it as hard as you can. Patience. Seems like you're not patient.
I mean, for the music business, I am.
Push up as hard as you can. Faith, hope, love, duty, patience. Patience. Something the word patience is bothering you subconsciously. So let's see. I'm just gonna ask a couple things.
Okay.
Is it family? Hard as you can. Family, friends, yourself, relationship, friends. So you're gonna just kind of imagine like what you think it is, like subconsciously.
Interesting.
I don't even know what's happening. I just ask you questions and your body tells me.
Okay.
Yeah, so like push up right here. Love, patience. Patience is the main word.
Wow.
And it has to do with push up, not family, friends.
Oh.
So
Something going on.
yeah, so you're gonna so this is deep for you. So subconscious emotions is like when you're stressed out from the past, you could be like chilling and you just tense up as subconscious. So like you want to like confront it by just trying to imagine it. But it helps when you're getting your
You know what? It does make sense though.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do have some friends that have lost patience for sure. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay. It's getting emotional.
Yeah. No, but for sure. Yeah. No, it makes sense.
Okay, so let's have you take a seat right here. Bonuses makes your brain work better actually. Okay. All right. Oh, we need these sunglasses. So she looks cool. Okay. It's all for style.
Absolutely.
Okay. So this is your relaxation time.
my neck moved, which is amazing. Which no one in LA has been able to make my back move.
Yeah.
Sadly.
Like that.
Yeah. And I've been trying, you know, I've seen a lot of people, but it's just kind of discouraging.
Yeah.
You keep going and nothing's happening, and you're like, okay, yeah, what's going on? Yeah, I think it was really good. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I'm glad you guys came.
Oh, so sweet. Thank you.
Giving you guys my energy, so.